So my dad has a brand new GWM Ora electric car which has been brilliant for a few weeks, but suddenly one day it just stopped charging. I noticed that when I plug in the charger, it doesn't quite go in as far as my Atto 3, but I wasn't sure whether it was originally like that. You know your car is not charging if you plug in the charger and the screen is just white and doesn't show any charging percentages or how many hours it takes to charge. So what I had to do was open up the bonnet. The switch you have to pull to open up the bonnet is on the bottom right hand side of the steering wheel, just above the accelerator. There is a handle you have to move to open the bonnet, as you can see in the video. After it is open, ensure it stays open by using the stick on the right to hold it in place. Then you can find the emergency release cord with a yellow loop handle. Pull on this cord. What this cord does is reset the charging pins. After that, I can plug my charger in fully and the car is charging again. Hope this video helps you.